Mastering the meaning of at breakneck pace. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. We'll explore the phrase, at breakneck pace, and unravel its meaning and usage. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English expressions, this video will give you a deeper understanding of how to use this phrase effectively in your everyday communication. At breakneck pace is an idiom used to describe something that is moving or happening extremely fast, often with a sense of urgency or recklessness. The word breakneck itself implies a speed so fast that it could break one's neck, emphasizing the potential danger and intensity associated with such rapid motion. This phrase has its roots in the 16th century, where the term breakneck was commonly used to describe steep hills or dangerous roads known for causing accidents. Over time, at breakneck pace evolved to become a metaphorical way to express very high speed in various contexts, not just physical movement. To grasp the phrase's usage better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a race, the athletes sprinted at breakneck pace, each determined to win the gold medal. 2. In business, the startup grew at breakneck pace, expanding to international markets within a year. 3. In storytelling, the plot unfolds at breakneck pace, keeping readers on the edge of their seats. Notice how the phrase adds a layer of intensity and urgency to each scenario. While at breakneck pace is a vivid and expressive phrase, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts. Since it implies extreme speed and potential risk, it may not be suitable for situations that require care and deliberation. Use this phrase when you want to emphasize speed and intensity in a situation. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, at breakneck pace. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into its meaning, origins, and usage. Remember, understanding idioms like this can add richness and precision to your English communication. Happy learning, and see you in our next language adventure.